If we receive the CPU from the second repair, so just jump the line, very prone to short circuits. This is GND. This is also GND. If we want to fix it, we can use it for a long time. To scrape off all this layer of GND, use YCS's number 11 blade. You can clean these epidermis routing. After the epidermis is cleaned, if its CS second layer also leaks copper, then try to clean it up as much as possible. This is the second layer of the epidermis. GND also needs to be cleaned up. This pad is very obvious. Its second layer is also leaking copper. As long as it leaks copper, it will short circuit. Now, clean up the second floor together. When cleaning the welding oil, be sure to watch out for these lines on the side. This line comes to this point, can't break. This time, we can't put the whole solder ball on it to heat up. We just need to take the small particles. Take small particles and put them in. We need the pad of the flying wire on it. After aligning the pads, heat with an air gun. The temperature doesn't matter when the air gun is heated, but the air volume must be small enough. The smaller the air volume, its solder balls don't go anywhere else. Let's take a look. Heating. Heat with R1 air gun. The solder ball is solidified on the pad we specified. Just put the line in. Just place this wire on the pad and heat it up. It solders itself together. Put it on it and weld it together by yourself. There's another one. Heating. It's clear from the video. 2 lines. It has been integrated with our pads. After cleaning up, first solidify the welding inventory. Finish the thread after curing. After curing is completed, pad ring. Flatten these pads with clear film paper. You can test it now. Are our flying lines normal? Is there a problem with the surrounding lines? Find the route of the GND measurement flight first. 346. Another 346. C347, 347, 343 below. 345, 347, 47. Then after one circle is measured, when the two wires fly well, the surrounding lines are not affected in any way. The advantage of this approach is that the pads can be as flat as the CPU surface. After we fix the pads, when planting tin will not cause this area. The size of the tin point appears. Then the CPU flying line repair. We're done here. If you have any basic knowledge you need, for example, the manual theory, let me know in the comments section, and see you.